How to use Voicemod on your Oculus Quest 3. Now we don't really have the devices right now, but we can go ahead and explain how this can be possible. Now there's going to be a mobile device related, and when you're doing voice changers on a mobile device, you won't be able to change your voice in a live manner. So because of restrictions and stuff like that, you will only be able to record your voice and then edit that voice and change it to a different voice. But if you do really want a live voice changer, you can go ahead and get yourself a Voicemod key, which is basically just Voicemod but in a more external way, and then you can also use it on your mobile device. So first of all, go to your mobile device and make sure you have already downloaded Voicemod. Now at this point, it's going to be the devices you're going to need and then the wires. So the device you're going to need is the Voicemod key itself, of course, and then a few wires. So the wires that's going to be important is the one we're going to plug into the Oculus Quest here, which is a Type-C, and then here on the right audio jack, or the game jack, device jack I mean. So we can go ahead and use this kind of wire. So it's an audio jack to a Type-C, so it should just directly connect to your Oculus. As so, you can connect this part to the right audio jack and then this plug to the Oculus itself. Now if you don't have this, there should be another one that looks like this. It's a male-to-male audio plug, and then of course it won't be able to fit here since it's a Type-C, so you can use this device, this wire, no, that's the headphones. This wire, which is an audio jack to a Type-C. So basically this end here will go over here, and then this end will go here, and then this Type-C end will go here on the Oculus itself. But I suppose you know how that should make sense. But anyways, on the left audio jack, it's headphones, which we just showed just now for some reason. So if we can find it, it's the headphones over here. You're gonna have to plug it in to the left if you want to hear the actual voice changer itself. But once you have it all connected, did we mention you connect the top part in the phone? But yeah, that's over there on the phone. If your phone is Type-C, of course. If it's not, you're gonna need another wire converter from Type-C to a micro, or whichever your phone supports. But anyways, once you're in your Oculus, you can go ahead to the quick settings of your Oculus Quest 3 and go to the search bar and search for external microphone. It's a little blurry on this image, but you can still see it a little. So we're just giving you the idea on how this works. So once you press on external microphone in the results, you go to the toggle and make sure it's turned on. So enabling this feature allows usage of external USB microphones. Then restart your device for the changes to take effect. But that's pretty much how you can use the Voicemod on Oculus Quest 3. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.